This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Beth Horner. 1 level, open floor plan, all brick in the most convenient location. 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths with 2 spacious gathering rooms. Brick wood burning fireplace. All new LVP flooring and all freshly painted. Clean crawlspace professionally done with new moisture barrier. New storm doors, new chimney repair, 10-year-old roof, 3-year-old HVAC, new water heater, newer windows, gas range. All new electrical box being installed. Still opportunity to add your designing touches. Large level backyard on almost half acre. Schedule showing before too late. For more information, review the details below or contact Beth Horner at 865-693-1111.